It is 2 weeks after your father's burial. Let me use this opportunity to thank you all for your efforts during the burial. And my gratitude goes most to Chike, who took all the financial burden upon his shoulders. God shall continue to bless you all.
Thank you, Mama.
You are a brother indeed, Dalu.
Thank you, my brother.
Brother Chike, thank you very much. You see, God will give you more money with big car.
Amen. Thank you, One. Thank you, Ije.
Jerry and Chike, both of you are not getting younger anymore. It is high time you thought of getting married. I need grandchildren. Mama buzi nwata, anahama agbada.
Mama, rapu keno kwenu munye for now. You know I'm not ready. As of now, I have serious problems in my business, and that is more important to me. On the other hand, Chike is well-to-do. He can get married if he's ready.
No, now. No, now. You know you're my elder brother, so there's no way I'll get married before you.
Okay. I don't have a problem with that, okay? I don't. I'll get married when I'm ready, okay? And like Mama has chipped in, she needs grandchildren.
Well, I believe whatever is worth doing is worth doing well.
Chike, you heard your brother. He has given you a go-ahead order, so do it.
Yeah. And for me, all I need now is some financial support from him. Let me revive my business.
One more thing. Please and please, no matter what happens, I urge that we continue to be in peace and enjoy the cooperation that has been in the family. Please.
No. Peace and peace all the way.
We shall always live in peace and love and harmony.
That place is, I think you need to come closer. Okay, come. Yeah? Hey! What is it? What is wrong with my husband? What is it? What is wrong with my husband? Mama, we need to go to the hospital. Can't you see we're rushing Papa to the hospital? Did you say hospital? Yes, ma'am. When we get there, they'll ask us to give them money first, deposit some money first. Do you have money? I don't have any money, oh. Bring him out here. I don't know where you're taking him to. Mama, are you talking about money or saving the life of your husband? Mama, the moment I get talking, the more Papa will die here. It's the cost of hospital to come for him now. Have you called your sister? I will call her on my way. Why are you shout as if I'm the sickness? Look for money. No, this hospital you are going, I don't understand it, oh. Have you locked the door? Yes. After you come, where do I enter? Where will I enter? Mama, enter and go. Me, I don't know. Now, why do this side? Mama, this one now. Enter, let's go. Mama, sit down. You go down, Mama. No.
Okay, go and put that bag in the car. Mama, I'll be on my way now so that I'll get home on time.
With most of that child spread.
Bread and cat, not to worry, I'll bring many when I'm coming next.
Okay, no problem. So,
I'll miss you too, Mama. Not to worry, I'll keep in touch.
When you get back, there's a lot we need to discuss.
Yeah, that's true. Definitely we will.
But you can let me tell you.
What?
See, during our holiday, I will come to the city to visit you.
You can come to the city anytime.
No, Mama will not allow me to come. That's why I'm telling you.
That's true, but you know Mama needs company. Who will help her out? But whatever time you want to come, you better wake. Mama, come back. I miss you. That body as soon as I get there. I will. One day more. Thank you so much. Oh, come back there.
Bye bye.
You get some last.
Bye bye. Mom.
Pick up your call now.
Has she answered?
She's not picking up her calls.
What is wrong with Sister Dora?
I don't know, I don't. She's not picking.
We need to deposit some money for them to commence treatment on Papa.
So what do you want me to do now? Are you telling me that? Are you not the man of the house?
Sister, I suggest we go to the doctor's office and beg him.
Odinaka, you know that is not possible. You know the doctor will not even listen to us at all without any money. Why don't you go and tell him yourself?
Then what are we going to do?
I don't know. Don't. I have small money with me. Why don't you go back to Papa's school and let me just go to Adora's house? Because she's not picking her calls.
Sister, Adora's house is very far from here. It's very, very far.
I will trek partly and just go and meet Mama. Tell her I'll be calling Adora over every house.
I don't even know why Papa will fall sick at this time of hardship. What's even wrong with this man?
Yes, Ozinaka. I just came out from Adora's house now. The husband said she's not even at home and she left her phone in the house. Okay, what do you mean by that? How am I going to get money from someone that is not at home? I'm not going to go to the phone and call this phone. Let me go and think of something else. I'm not supposed to plug money from the tree. I can't understand this kind of thing. Ha! Oh!
What is wrong with you? Are you mad? Do you want to kill yourself?
I'm not mad. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
How can you cross the road? Vivian.
Chike.
Vivian.
Chike, is this you?
It is me. Look at you.
This is my village. We left Lagos 6 months ago.
Oh my God.
Is this you?
Yes. I mean, this is where I live now. I have a bakery around here. What are you doing here?
Really?
I'm telling you.
Because I was about asking you what you're doing here.
Oh my God. And there I was screaming at you.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I wasn't
I'm sorry myself.
Okay, sorry, excuse me. Hello? Otinaka? What happened? Okay, just hold on. I'm coming now, please. I'm coming.
Wait, what's the problem? You seem ruffled and worried.
Some other time.
No, come, I insist. Just let me know what the problem is.
My father is in the hospital. He's not been feeling fine and the doctor refused to touch him. Not until I bring some money. So I'm trying to raise the money.
Oh my God. Get into the car. Get into the car, please.
Mama. Thank you.
All glory to God. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
My son.
Papa.
Thank you so very much.
You're welcome, Papa. You're welcome.
Alachiki, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Odinaka, go and bring seats for us.
No need for that. I won't be sitting down. I have somewhere very important I need to be at.
But you need to sit down. Why are you always in a hurry? Sit down, let's give you something.
I will some other time, honestly. But this time, there's a very important appointment I have to catch up with. Vivian knows about it.
Yes, Mama. He's saying the truth. Maybe some other time you'll spend more time with him.
Yes.
Okay, no problem.
I have to be on my way now.
No problem. My God that I serve, we bless you abundantly.
Amen.
Amen.
Thank this good deed you've done for my family.
Amen, Papa.
Amen.
Thank you so very much.
I will still see you. I'll come back. Please, this is 20,000 naira. Use it to get whatever he needs.
Another one? After what you spent at the hospital, you're still giving me another money?
Just stop, please. He might need some fruits and stuff. Just use it, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It's nothing.
Thank you.
Okay. I'll be on my way now, but we'll talk on phone.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh, Mama, I want to go and see one of my friends. I'll be back.
Okay. Hey, that reminds me. Did you later call your brother to find out why he did not visit as he promised?
Mama, I did not call him. And I will not call him.
Why would you say a thing like that?
Is that a question? Somebody that promised to assist me so I can revive my business. And when keep on me up till now, nothing. Oh, wait, from time.
Jerry, what has come over you? Eh? I still wonder
Mama,
why you are sounding like this.
Go. I've already told you. Let me go and see one of my friends. I'll be back later. You go who are wrong.
Why this sudden change of attitude towards his brother? What has come over him? What is really going on? This is strange.
Wonders shall never end. GK is now a multi-millionaire. This life is mysterious. I remember when he was almost begging for food. Those days when he would come to my late uncle's house at Lagos to eat. As my boyfriend then, he could not even afford the money for my cream. Look at him today.
Vivi, mama! Woo! Vivi, what? Oh, you didn't miss. Vivi.
Mama.
Who is that young man?
Which young man?
The one that brought us back.
Mama.
Hi.
Mama, you poke nose a lot. You want to know everything at every single time.
What more poke nose? I told you. I'm not poke nosing anything, no. That young man is caring. That's the kind of son-in-law I want in this house.
Mama, please. Anyways, he used to be my boyfriend those days in Lagos. He actually proposed to me, but I said no.
Hi!
He was supposed to come and see my uncle in Lagos, but unfortunately for him, he died the next day. So we lost contact, and then I never heard from him again. Just the other day, a few days ago, I met him on the road. That was how we saw each other again.
Hi! He proposed to you. It's the kind of in-law we need in this house. The young man is so caring. Hi!
Mama, what are you talking about?
What I'm saying is that you should go and tell him that you're still interested. In fact, he can be available.
Mama, I should go and make a man. I should go and meet him and tell him to my. I don't understand.
I will meet him. Just tell him that you're still interested. He shy again. You gotta go. You know, he has your money. You move like a girl. That is if he's not yet married, though.
Mama, he's not yet married.
That is good. So go quick. So you tell him you're still available. Let another girl not go there and go and catch this young boy. Oh, what that nonsense say? Your sister-in-law, that useless, God-forsaken cursed man.
Mama, stop it. I don't like the way you curse that man at all now. Give Adora a breathing space. It's who she loves. What is all this now? Let that man have single respect or courtesy from me now.
So if they call men, Naka Solaman, Keko say woman. That useless Ocho. Okay, Bia, you better go to this one.
Mama, did you seriously here?
I'm never going to go. You know, he like it, kawaii. The young man is lovely, caring, and the glory of God is in his life.
Mama, you are seeing the glory of God in his life.
Yeah.
The same way you saw the glory of God in Papa's life before you married him.
Your own father, I was deceived at a point.
So now his own, I will not be deceived.
No, this one is pure. Just dress up. I've been telling you something. I don't know why you don't want to listen to your mother. I'm very disappointed in you. I am so disappointed in you in this house. You were disappointments. Do you hear me? I am disappointed in you.
Mama, I don't like the way you talk to me.
What don't you like? I don't care. I don't care at all. You couldn't even persuade your husband to give you money to help your father when he was in the hospital.
Mama, do you know if he had the money at that time?
You keep defending him all the time. Why are you always on this? Why? God did deal with her.
Mama, I don't like it. I don't like it.
If you like it. Oh. If you like, don't like it. About Sam, two of them are your own. I don't really care.
Teresa.
Don't call my name.
Take it easy on my daughter. Take it easy on my daughter. It's very possible that the husband had no money as at that time. Please take it easy with my daughter.
Don't have any money.
Take it easy with my daughter.
What are you even saying? These people, they know exactly what they are doing. Useless people. They know exactly what they are doing.
Mama, you're insulting me.
Insult to Boge, ba. Insult to Boge. Insulting you, Who do you think you are? Didn't I warn you not to marry that idiot? On Waroge, you went ahead, Boshiri, Galuan Onyala. Have you ever bought a piece of wrapper for your mother since you got married to that idiot? Is it okay? Stingy fools. Useless girl. You people are very stupid.
Papa, I have had enough of Mama in this house. This is the last time you see me here.
Go. Withdraw that statement. Withdraw the statement. This is your father's house. And you have every right to come here morning, afternoon, evening, anytime.
You're lying. Go to your husband's house. This is my husband's house. Go to your husband's house.
At least for once you acknowledge that I'm your husband.
Okay, quiet. Just shut up. Go!
Come back here again. Are you listening to your mother? Come back home.
She frog all day.
Can you see what you've done now?
Hey, keep quiet. Am
I not your husband?
So when they call husbands now, you will line up and raise your hand up. I'm a husband.
Am I not your husband?
Which husband? The only thing you have in this house is this useless cap that is on your head.
I know why I'm just leaving you. I know why I'm leaving you.
Leaving who? Why are you leaving?
Don't push your luck. Don't push your luck. I know why I'm leaving you. Don't push your luck, oh. I'm telling you, don't push your luck. Okay. All right. You're just with the edge. I'm not leaving you. Who?
It's me. Is this Chike's house?
My Oga?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. He's expecting me. My name is Vivian.
My Oga is not around.
But I just spoke with him a few minutes ago on the phone. He's expecting me.
My name is Ndoka. Whenever I tell you something, take it like that. My Oga is not around.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. What's going on here?
Your gate man just told me that you're not around.
Is that true, Ndoka?
Yes, I bet I was trying to...
You shut up your mouth. What sort of joke is that?
Sorry, sir.
Listen to me. If you don't mind the way you conduct yourself in this compound, you'll lose your job.
Sorry, sir.
Now man the gate.
Sorry, sir. It will not happen again, sir.
Silly. Sorry, my darling. Come in, Vivian.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay.
You have a nice day.
Thank you very much. How is your father?
He's fine.
Oh, great. Good to know. And how is everybody? I hope it wasn't so difficult to locate this place.
No, I used your description and then it was confirmed by your good man.
Perfect. I'm sorry about that silly display. I'm sorry.
Okay. Wow, it's really nice.
You're welcome.
Than any other person since he made his debut. Alright? In fact, it was his 75th Premier League assist for Man City. And 76th overall. He has both level.
Odinaka. Papa. Where are you coming from? I'm coming from Sister Dora's house. And I'm not happy.
You are not happy?
Yes.
What happened?
Papa, Sister Dora told me how she was humiliated and insulted by Mama when she visited her yesterday. Mama, you could not even say anything to Mama.
Could not say what? What rubbish? Oh, you? So you went there to gossip with me? Are you still in that one?
Mama, what you did was not...
Come on, shut up also. If I slap you, if I slap you, you will not like yourself. What is your business, Mr. Right? I have every right to talk to my daughter anyhow I want. Wait until you have your own daughter. Did you hear me? Wait until you have your own daughter.
Mama, Sister Dora, she's not happy. She's not happy with you.
Oh, come on, shut up. Am I happy with her? Am I happy with her? Who cares? How is it my business? Am I happy with her? Am I happy with her? See, mind your business in this house. Oh, you never. All I call you again. You're just here listening to this idiot. Try and come and make in this house. Even you couldn't do anything. But you know, take your time, both of you.
Lioness of Judah. Did you hear me say anything?
Couldn't I caution him? You are sitting here and he's committing rubbish against your own wife. Your wife! And you couldn't do anything. You can't even defend me or beat this boy. Ask him to move away. What right has he in this house? So he's now the mouthpiece of the house. And father like son, nonsense. Let me hear my name in your mouth again. And even in your own.
Rubbish.
But you're just sitting down, nothing. You can even caution her.
Will you shut up? Idiot! Is she not your mother? She's just dressing you down and you couldn't utter a word. If it is me now, you have mouth to talk. See yourself. Mumu.
You're the father of the house. She's your wife too.
Now get her from here. Now get her before I use this to break your head.
I am so happy for you. God has really blessed you.
Thank you. It's not been easy, you know, but I thank God. And I'm glad I found you again. I never thought I would see you again. I thought I'd lost you forever.
You can see that again. I mean, it's a small world. It keeps turning around with the people in it.
You have a point, that's true. So how have you been, and your parents, what do you do now?
For now, I'm not doing anything. I'm just helping my mother out with her business. She sells fruits.
Oh, that's good. And your father?
My father, he had a tipper he was managing, but he had issues with the owner and he collected it from him. So for now, he's not doing anything.
Such is life.
Yeah, such is life.
It's okay. Vivian. I proposed to you before, and I remember exactly what you told me. Can you allow me to come and see your parents now and introduce the marriage rights?
Just tell him that you're still interested. He pressure again. Got to go. You know, he has your money. You move like a girl. That is if he's not yet married.
Vivi? Please, can I just come and marry you immediately? I mean, my mother would love to have a great woman like you as a daughter-in-law.
Mama! How are you doing?
I'm fine.
I can see.
I'm fine.
Keep your greetings to yourself.
Jerry, what has come over you?
Mama? Ogini, why is he acting strange? What's wrong?
I don't know. He has been like this for some time now. Let us go inside. When he comes back, we'll talk about that.
You needed to be there that very day to hear the kind of abusive words Mama used on me. Mama insulted and humiliated me that very day. I had tears rolling down my eyes. If you were there, you would have cried for me.
No, sister. As a matter of fact, if I were there, you wouldn't have dropped one drop of tears. It wasn't necessary. You should have known Mama by now. She doesn't know how to talk. She doesn't even know what words to use at the appropriate time. She talks anyhow. So why would you bother yourself with her?
Yes, right. For Mama, me, I'm done with her. I've had it up to here with all the excesses. I can't take it anymore. Yes, my husband is poor, I am not doubting it. I am not arguing it. But comfortability, I have it. In this house, I have peace. I am okay the way I am in this house. And for that house, I will not go back there again. No, I won't.
Adora, no matter what, it is our father's house we are talking about. Same place we grew up from. You know what I am talking about. You can't say because of Mama you're not coming to see your siblings and your father anymore. What about Papa? Adora, think about this. Please.
Yes. I grew up there, right? It's true. But now I'm married. I have been married out of that house already. I'm here. This is my new family. I have peace of mind here. I'm okay here.
Adora, please. For the sake of peace, just let this matter die.
If you stop begging me, please.
If I don't beg you, then who will beg you? I am your only sister. I have to tell you the truth all the time. Please. You know, I'm actually begging you this because Chike and his people will be coming to do my introduction. And it seems somehow, I mean, how will I feel knowing that my elder sister is not even there?
That's not a problem. Chike is not an issue. I could see him anywhere. We'll see somewhere. Not just in that house. Please.
Ada, come off it. It is your only sister's introduction day. You need to be there. I beg of you, I can even kneel down and beg you this. Please, don't harden your hearts because of Mama. I beg you in the name of God. Please. Please.
Jerry, why do you bear grudge against your brother? What has he done to you?
Mama, he knows why I'm angry with him.
How? Brother, listen. I mean, you're too old for this.
It's again. No, because don't insult me. So because you have money, I'll now start fearing you. Okay?
Why are you sounding this way? Why are you sounding like this?
I'm not happy with you at all. I've been idle in this house because of the problems I'm encountering in my business. And even before Papa died, now you promised to do something. What did you do? Nothing. Odimma.
Jerry, I don't like this. I don't like it.
Mama, I will not stop anything. I will not stop anything. Chike cannot fool me at all. He spent more than 2 million to bury Papa. Eh? All wickedness. Jukenem, all wickedness.
Is this how you're going to pay your brother for all he did for this family?
He did nothing for me. Mama, I repeat, he did nothing for me. This is a man that bought a casket for 500,000 naira. That is not the action of a brother. He's not a brother at all. How am I even sure that he doesn't have a hand in Papa's death?
Jerry! What has come over you?
Everything is wrong with me. Everything.
Jerry, what did you say? Jerry!
Mama,
did you hear that?
That
how could you even imagine I'll have a hand in Papa's death?
Hey, can you buy one easy? Osugo, what?
Tamoa have a hand in Papa's death.
Hey, Osugo, mom, Chike. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, Jerry.
Odinaka! Odinaka! Come here! Call your mother for me. What kind of bully? What did you call food here?
Hey! Stop shouting! What kind of what? That is food. Okay, you're not happy that I brought you food. Food I've made with my hard-earned money and my God-given sweat. Why are you shouting? I'm hearing.
So you call this one food? Huh? No. You open your eyes and call this one food.
What is the meaning of what? Are you not happy I gave you food? What are you even saying? If I gave you food I cook with my hard-earned money, you're here and you complain. What is that? What is it, Papa?
Thank God you are here. Just look at this. Look at the rubbish that your mother called food. She gave this to me to eat her own husband.
Mama, the food here is small now. Is it for baby? And besides, there is no single meat inside.
If I slap you, you tell me how much your father brings in this house for food. Have you ever contributed in anything in this house? This food I cook with my hard-earned money and my God-given sweat. Kisina, how much have you brought in this house? You should be lucky I brought you food. Rubbish.
See, all this is not. Take this thing away from here. Take this thing away from here. I want you this road. Take the nonsense out of here. Carry your nonsense out of here.
I begged you for this food.
Mama.
The food I cook with my hard-earned money. Look at you. You're not happy that I gave you food. That I used my hard-earned money and my God-given sweat to make this food for you. Look at you. People said the downfall of a man is not the end of his life. Your own downfall is your end. Interadapi chalk, a useless, miserable man. You're a frustrated fool.
Moi?
Yeah, go on. Nonsense. You should thank your God I gave you food. Come on, no, sir.
Mama, can you stop it?
Mama. Mama, this is not fair. Stupid children. How much have your father contributed to this house? This useless man. If this food is not food, cut that thing in between your leg and put it inside.
Hey, get out of here! Your own is more meat than my own. Your own is more meat than my own. Idiot! Yours is better as meat. Yours is better as meat.
If it's not one thing, now just carry one.
Mama!
Can you see her? Can you see your mother? You are not saying anything.
You should say
something. Talk to your mother.
I say something on your own. Hey. You're not even saying anything.
Did you see that?
Papa, do something about it.
Papa, hold on. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. You shouldn't be shouting. Just tell me what you want. I'll go and do for you. What do you want?
I don't even have appetite again. No appetite. Look, this is your mother. You boys should talk to her. Talk to her. If not, I will kill her in this household. I will kill her.
Mama. Mama.
No, seriously, when anything went wrong, his brother. But I'm okay, just like he's also.
See, once you set your eyes on her, you will love her.
Really?
Yes.
I hope she's from a good family.
From a very decent and dedicated person.
Hey! God, I thank you. I thank God for that. I can't wait to see her.
You will love her when you see her.
Hey, me and woman. Hey!
I made out a check of 1 million naira for you to support your business.
Hey!
And I promise to help out when I can from time to time.
Oh, qué wonderful. Jerry, what is wrong with you?
Mama, stay out of this.
Jerry, what's the meaning of this?
Did I not warn you to keep your blood money to yourself?
Is that why you have to act like this?
I am free to act however I choose.
Jerry.
I'm out of here, Mama.
Jerry! You are going to regret this.
Oh, come on.
You can regret it.
I have nothing to regret. You can't cause me.
You can regret it. Hey! Come on. Go away and drive carefully, Mom. One day you $1 million dollars in Aquego. In Aquia.
Rap on your wig on your Siaba.
After you're the senior, it's your junior brother. I'll give us a check in your bring out in you.
Oh, Teresa, my good friend. Afternoon, my dear. Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from the market. You know it's not easy to be a breadwinner of a family. And my business is no longer lucrative as it used to be. So I decided to go into akara frying.
Akara kwa?
And I bought 2 penta of beans to start the akara business tomorrow. I know this God will honor me.
It is well with you, my dear.
Amen.
Your husband?
He's at home. That one has resorted to be at home. What do you want him to do? Since the tipper owner took away that tipper, he's just at home.
It is well with you, my dear.
Thank you, my sister.
Let me go and finish the 2 jobs I remained.
Okay. Let me go home. My good friend.
You have not seen anything yet. You remember the time you were laughing at me when I was the breadwinner? Hey, this is just the beginning.
Is it a small piece of yam that is taking you 1 year to peel?
Papa, don't worry, I will soon be done.
Don't worry, I will soon be done. My friend, be fast! I'm hungry.
Yeah. What is going on here? Huh?
Papa asked me to keep the yam for him.
Huh?
Papa is hungry.
Where did you get that yam?
From the store.
You went to the store of the breadwinner of the family without permission. Without permission, you went to my store. Hand it over.
Mama, Papa said that he's hungry.
Teresa, what is it now? What is it?
Papa said he's hungry. Now went to my store to carry yam. Do you know how much they said this yam? Do you know how much they said this in the market?
Is it because of small yam like this? What is it?
Okay, okay. Here, listen over. I'm even talking because the fire is still on.
Huh?
Because the fire is still on. That's why. Do you know how much they sell this yam in the market? Let me see anybody that will come in here again and take my yam.
Papa, the yam is gone. You can drink water.
Will you shut up? Idiot! Millipede! If you had done this food very fast, by now I would have eaten.
Papa, it's not my fault.
Then whose fault?
Papa, you know it's not.
No, idiot, whose fault? Hey, what have I done to this woman now? Eh? How do I eat now? Oh, how can I eat now? Hey.
Papa, bring money. Let me go and buy another yam for you.
You are still talking? Idiot.
Your brother just called me now. He said he will be coming home tomorrow with the lady he wants to marry.
So? Can you go see Basam? No, why are you telling me?
He said I should tell you. You are his elder brother. He needs you around.
Hey, what's a boy? Call him. And tell him I'm not interested.
Jerry, why are you behaving like this? Why are you angry with your brother for no reason?
Mama, because Tata, I don't want it. Chike should let me be. Okay? Tell him that.
Jerry, what has Chike not done for you? Was he not the one that started the business for you?
Yes. And so, he has enough money to establish his only brother in business. It will not be a crime if I become rich like him.
Did he stop you from becoming rich? Eh? Must you depend on him for survival?
Chike ake toluro onyem ge depend on for survival. But nevertheless, I've heard you.
What has come over you? Can you beg any more? Can I jump more beg any more? Hey! Ina mezika konya anyu ko ina wanda anyu ku. Ko asegini. To fi akwa fu be mudu nkambo. O di egwu o.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you, man.
You see, you are too kind, oh. Eh? In fact, what you did for me at the hospital, I don't know how we can thank you enough.
It's nothing.
Yes. Then on top of that, you want to marry my daughter. Hey.
Yes, because I love her.
Hi. Vivian.
Papa.
You've heard him. You have the final say. So if you give us permission, then we can ask him to come with his people to come and knock on our door. So what do you have to say?
Papa, I don't know how to say it.
Vivian.
Okay. Yes, I'll marry him.
That's it.
Say it well now.
So, the ball is now in your court. You go home, get your kinsmen, and come and knock on our door. And my wife, we will open it wide for them. Wow.
Thank you, sir. I really appreciate your warm welcome and you accepting me into this family. I promise to be a good in-law to you and to take care of your daughter very well. Thank you so much. I will now go back and speak with my kinsmen and then we'll fix a date to come and knock on the door and then talk about paying the dowries and every other marital right. Meanwhile, use this as a token. You can use it to get cooler for my people when we come or something.
Hey. All this. Oh, why now? Why are you this kind? Hey. Thank you very much. Dalu.
Hey, thank you.
No. It's good to have a good child. Hey. Hey!
No, you boy, they are too much. I think I need to clean this guy. Hey, Maka, money is good. This car is too much. What is this? Machine. Hey, let me clean here.
Mama,
what are you doing? Sorry. Anyone that says that money is not good, should not see money in their 10th generation to come. Look at this car, machine. Just have a look at this car. Just imagine me here.
But this is not the first time you are seeing this car, Mama. I brought you back from the hospital with this car.
Tell me, you come with this car? Hey! The hospital saw this car. Hey, have you go? Hey, this is... Nah.
Mama deserves to be happy anyway.
Yes! Just watch me in this car.
Should I snap you?
Mama.
Yes!
I should snap you. Come on, let's go.
No! This car should be called Teresa because... Very soon, Marota will carry me in this car. Nah. I have to talk to you.
Mama, stop it now.
Eh?
Bye, Mama.
Oh, look at the glass is dusty.
Mama!
Now the light is on. Hi! Motamaka. This motor should be called Teresa. Teresa motor. Hi! Hi!
I was at Nkbo town yesterday, close to Chike's house. Man, I was shocked when I saw his house.
So why are you telling me?
That was my first time of seeing the house. I never knew he had such an, he built such an edifice in Nkbo village. I never knew.
Well, good luck to him.
He has to come home and build such house. You don't go to Nkbo and I don't understand. Look at our village. Does he have any house like that here?
Odogu, when you see Chike, ask him.
You see not your brother?
Odogu, if there's nothing else left to tell me, let me walk along. Yeah? We'll talk about this thing some other time.
Jerry, think about it. Okay, think about it. And a sin on map we how can your brother build such a house in Nkbo town?
Papa,
that's my mother and my sister, Ije.
Good afternoon.
Meet my other brother, Jerry.
Good afternoon, sir.
Brother Jerry.
Different.
Come.
Go inside.
Go inside. Go Oyibo Pepe. Oyibo Pepe. Akelewe. Ewo. Daddy mom.
Where is your father?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
What did he do?
Your father is looking for my trouble in this house. Nage. He's looking for my trouble in this house. See, I've been quiet too. And he's just looking for my trouble. You are looking for my trouble in this house.
Mama, what did he do?
What is it again? You won't allow people rest in this house. What is it again that you are shouting?
Just respect yourself and give me that money my in-law brought in this morning. Give me that money my in-law brought in this house.
I don't understand you. Your in-law. Where on this earth have you seen a woman giving out a child in marriage? My in-law, not your in-law. And by the way, why should I give you the money?
Your in-law. If you know what is good for you in this house, just respect yourself and give me that. Do you know how I put food on the table in this house? Do you know how I put food? That food that you always eat, do you know how I get it?
Can you hear your mother? Now you are insulting me.
Insulting who? What is the you to insult? What is the you to insult? A man that cannot feed his family. Can you insult? Insult again? You actually insulting me. You are the one insulting me.
Mama,
give me that money, oh. If you know what to do for you, give me that money.
You just shout anyhow. You don't even know how to approach someone. Instead of you to say, my husband, what of that money that was given to you? Now you are just making noise. No good manner of approach. Which kind of wife are you? Do you know I've seen your husband in this house?
Say they call husbands, now they call you. They put you as a husband. If you don't give me that money, let me tell you. If you don't bring that money, oh Chimo, that will be your money from now till this year ends. It will be your morning food, afternoon food, night food. Till this year ends. Try me and not give me that money.
Calm down. Papa have not said he will not give you the money. Just calm down.
Exactly. No. Tell him to give me the money, oh. He should not look for my trouble. I don't even have his time. I'm not going to here.
Just make noise here. Did you hear your mother? Huh? A woman that I married into my own house, opening her mouth wide to insult me anyhow. Did you hear her?
You didn't tell me that our in-law brought 20,000 naira.
Major, how is it your business? Idiot! What is your business with the money? Is she your daughter?
Papa, I am the only son in this house, so I need my own share. You have to give my own title.
Don't get out from there before I descend.
Papa, you give my own title though.
You are still talking. Idiot!
Baby, you've not said anything about your brother's attitude since afternoon. I mean, did you see the way he reacted when he saw me? I have never been that embarrassed all my life. Someone that he's meeting for the very first time.
Baby, don't let that bother you, honestly.
It's already bothering me, baby. If it's not, I won't be talking about it. So what's going on?
Truth is, he has a problem with me, not with you. I'm just sorry it came out that way.
So why didn't you sort it out with him before inviting me?
That's a mistake I made, but I promise you I'll handle it. We'll sort it out. It's just normal family issues.
You should have handled it before inviting me. I cannot cope where there's trouble.
Sorry about that. There's no trouble here.
There's trouble. That face I saw.
No. He's not like that. Honestly, believe me, he's not. He's not.
If you say so. I'm famished.
Okay, let's look for somewhere to just get some food. Let's look for okay, that's one here.
Okay.
Yeah.
You have no right to be in possession of that money. Your father had no right at all in this house. I'm the breadwinner. In fact, I'm the head of this family. You have no right to hold that money.
Mama, why did you get us involved in this matter? You should have discussed it amicably with your husband inside. Must we be involved in it?
You don't know where you're involved. Now let me tell you why you're involved in this matter. You're involved in this matter because I'm the breadwinner of this, the head of this family. You see, let me start like this. When you have headache in this house, I'm the one that will buy you drugs. When Odinaka is hungry, it's me that will cook food for Odinaka. When your father is sick, it's me that will still go and call the doctor. When Omo finish in this house, I'm the one that will buy Omo. When water is not in this house, I'll give you money to go and buy water. If there's no shelter, you see me. When there's no salt, no oil, no water. If there's dust in this compound now, it's me that will bring people that fetch water and put everything. It's me that will pay them. It's me that will buy ugu, I'll buy okra, I'll buy yam, I'll buy knife, I'll buy plates. In fact, it means I'll do everything. Even when there's no fork, I'll still buy the fork in this house for plates. And when your father don't have money, I will still give you pocket money. God, let it not be like pocket money I give you. You used to give small guests in the village. Because I don't know what to do.
This is it. This is it. Enough of this insult. What is it? You won't allow me to rest in this house. Eh? Just because of this money. Because I'm a God-fearing person. I don't want problems. That is why we give you the money.
Everybody will see you shout.
Take your money. Stop listening. Take your money.
Give me.
What is it?
So a certain person up here. Look. If you don't want to.
If you try it. If you try it.
Look at you. See the comment now. You shout when I'm the one. I'm the head of this family. I know why I'm keeping quiet. Take that cap off your head. Let breeze blow your head.
Yes, I will take it off. Because your heat is too much on me.
And tell me thank you for removing the heat. Nonsense. I'm the one that told you that there's heat on your head. You see, yeah? The way I'm seeing this money, is not complete.
Mama, count it first now.
If I weigh money with my hand, when it's complete, my hand shouldn't be shaking like this. For it to be shaking, that means there's something that went out of it. Let me just check. I know myself. I've had money in my hand. Just make sure this money is complete. If it's not complete, I put on your digging on that. Let me just go.
You just be doing. I'm the breadwinner, the head of this. If you know what is good for you, bring it to us. Count in case you're getting me. Let him bring this 2,000 naira.
It is 2,000. That 2,000 naira on top is my tithe. Yes, I've taken it away. It's my tithe.
How can you tithe on something that is not your own? Tithe how? What do you mean by that?
Who says it's not my own? That money belongs to me, and that is why I tithed the 2,000 to the house of God. Yes.
Hi. You tithed the money that does not belong to you to the house of God. Okay, no problem. If you have tithed that money, the 2,000 naira you tithed means that your food for 2 weeks has been tithed. Tithed food, tithed money. Together they are tithed in any way it is. Let me not hear you in this house ask for food. Or when you hear for 2 good weeks. Now I need to tithe this one where I want to tithe it. I'm not going to go for no more again. Let me say the word out. Let me pass. Let me pass. Let me pass. Let me pass. Let me pass also. It's from God. Hey.
Papa, since you've given God his own share of the money as tithe, you also give my own share of the money as my own title, because I'm the only son in this family.
Will you shut your mouth? Okay, we're here talking about something that's very important here. Making mockery of it. Are you mad? Which stupid man are you talking about?
Sister, I'm the only son in this house, so I deserve my own title of the share of the money. Because if Papa did not give my own share, this marriage will not work.
This
marriage will not work.
I'm not fear. No, for my own daughter. Look.
Papa, I need my own share of the money.
Get out. Idiot. No, I don't understand. I have a lioness as a wife that is dealing with me. Even my own small rat that calls himself my first son, that cannot even hold the mother, is here insulting me. If I am not strong in this house, I would have died by now out of BP.
It's okay. It's okay. You know you're not strong.
It's not okay. It's only you that sometimes try to support me. 2 of them are devils in this house. What is it?
Why would you go and give money, drop money for tithe? I did not say it's wrong. But you know you've never dropped money for feeding for us. You went to go and drop it for tithe.
Is it not God that is making us to live? Am I not a man of God? What is it?
It's okay.
I'm a Christian.
It's okay. I know you're a deacon. It's okay. It's okay. Thank God you people did not display this madness in front of him. Yeah, Papa. Because if you people had done it, this money you people just saw is a tip. What will not happen when the rest of the money comes?
This is the key to this truck. Have it. These are the documents.
I don't understand. What am I to do with them?
I want you to handle this truck. I want to put it in your care. Yes, as business. So, as it makes proceeds every month, we share it, you take half, you remit half into my account.
Am I hearing clearly? Nada. Me.
Hey, my in-law. God bless you.
You're welcome.
May God continue to bless you.
Amen.
Chineke dalu. Thank you, God. God has answered my prayers.
Amen.
Ogo.